In this video, we'll be learning how to use split screen in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the settings. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for system, click on that one. And here at the system, proceed to the multitasking. So by that, scroll down, find for it. Once you find it, tap on it. And here afterwards, you'll be able to see four options. Please proceed to snap windows. So here, you need to navigate to the switch and turn it on. Once you have enabled the snap windows, close the window, okay, and bring up any of your window. Let's say, for example, control panel. And if you'd like to open your control panel together with your settings, all you need to do is you need to navigate in this area where you can see minimize this icon and this close icon. Please proceed to this one. And there you can see you can choose any of here. You can go with two, where here you can open two windows at a time. And there you can see three windows at a time and four windows at a time. So first we need to, let's say for example, you'd like to use two windows at a time. All you need to do is you need to select that one. Once you've selected it, please open another window. Let's say for example, settings. Now from here, please proceed to this icon again, similar icon, click on it. And the moment you click on it, okay, please expand it first again. Okay. And from that, you need to proceed to this one. In this way, you'd be able to open two windows at a time. And if you would like to use three windows at a time, all you need to do is you need to use this again. Okay. And then choose for the other one. Let's say, for example, this one. Then it would be placed here. Let's say, for example, you would like to bring up your this PC this time. In this way, you'd be able to open three windows at a time. Okay. And if you would like to open four windows in the same time, you just have to click on this here again and choose for this four. The moment you click on it, let's say, for example, you would like to bring up the, okay, let me just proceed here. Let's say, for example, you would like to bring up any folder, okay? Or any, let's say for example, this magnifier, if you would like to bring this up, or either notepad or any of the window. In that way, you'd be able to open that one here at the fourth window together with these three windows being opened here in your Windows 11. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.